Beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Manuel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to put your logos onto mockups. So I've received a lot of complaints and questions from people asking me how I put logos onto mockups. So I'm going to show you guys on my PC how it's done, how you can put a PNG logo onto mockups, different mockups. So I'm going to use 2 or 3 mockups which can help you to understand how to put your logo onto mockups. But before I start, please comment, like, and share, and don't forget to subscribe in case you are new. Now, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as I said in the intro, I'm going to show you guys how to put your logo onto mockups. So let's go to the tutorial folder, and then these are our 3D mockup that we are going to use, and this is OSMART logo. Alright, so before I continue, OSMART Fashion is a business or a fashion designer who is into making anything African for men. So for now, he's focusing on men. So I'll try and post his social media handles on the screen, or maybe put something about him in the description. So let's get into the video. Alright, so now we have our logo here, and we have our first mockup, a t-shirt mockup, and then a 3D logo mockup here as well. So now let's start with the logo. So this is a PNG. Mostly you are supposed to use a PNG in case you want to work with a mockup. So let's start with our 3D logo mockup. We will click here. You normally have to check where it's written your logo. Click here and then you double click, which will take you to another Photoshop document or another Photoshop page. So you wait patiently for it to load, which is going to take you to another page. Alright, so you can see here that I have a lot of pictures or logos that I've converted into a mockup or I've used as mockup. So these are some of the logos here, but today we are not going to use any of them. We are using OSMART logo. So we will hide this one here and then come in. We can drag and drop it there. We can also choose to copy. You can choose to copy and come to this place, and then we will paste it nicely. Paste nicely. Alright, then you click OK. So now we have our logo here. We are supposed to transform to make it bigger so that it will be nice on the mockup. So you could press Ctrl T for Windows or Command T for Mac, and then you stretch or you kind of make it bigger like this to fit nicely and gently in the middle like this, and then you click here to agree or accept whatever you've done. Okay, good. So now we have our smart logo here, but then we are supposed to change the colors, or else if we go back to our mockup it will still be black, which isn't okay or nice. So we are going to pick the colors here. We have gold, kind of gold color, and then light blue. So let's pick the gold color, and then let's also pick the blue color as well. Good. Now let's hide this one. We are going to make the whole thing very nice. So let's select this layer here, these two, rectangle marquee 2, and then let's select the whole thing and make it blue and then gold color. You get it? Right. So let's come to FX, and then we come to gradient overlay, and then you select this color here and then select the first one. So this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be on the mockup. But then let's try and make have a lot of gold so that it will be nice and okay. This isn't the official logo which is going to be presented to OSMART. It's already done, but then I decided to use this one for today's tutorial. So let's click OK, and then let's make the angle nice. I think this is okay. So we are good to go. Let's click OK. So this is just example of showing you guys how it's done. So you click OK, and by the time you are done, Photoshop is going to do its magic, and then by the time we go back to where the mockup is, this logo here is going to be on the mockup. So let's wait and see the final outcome of this work. But before that, please don't forget to comment, like, and share. All right, good. So we are done now. Let's go to our mockup. Good. So as you can see, we are having our mockup here. So this is going to be how we are going to present our logo to the CEO of OSMART Fashion. So this is a sample steps of how to put your logo onto mockups. Now let's try and use another mockup. This is the t-shirt mockup. The same thing, your design here, you double click and then it will take you to this place. For this time around, we are going to hide this yellow background here and then bring a smart logo as well. Don't forget, you come here, copy, and then you come and paste it. Edit, and then paste in place. Good. So Command T or Control T to transform to any size that you want. So today we are going for this one. We are going for this one. All right. Now we are going to make the color blue so that it will be very perfect and nice on the t-shirt. Good. On the t-shirt. So let's try and hide this one and see the outcome first. Then we save it. Alright, good. So in case Osmart is printing a t-shirt for his brand, this is how it's going to be on a t-shirt. So this is a t-shirt mockup. You get it? Or in case you do not want it to be in the middle like this and you want it to be at the top or at the top right or the left corner, you go back to your design again and then you pull it to somewhere here. Let's say this place. Alright, good. And then you click here and then you click save as well so that it can be saved. And then we go back to now we have something like this, which is okay. So these are our two mockups. We have mockup 1 and then mockup 2. All right, so this is how to put your logo onto mockups. This is simple steps from me, and I know this is how most of the designers is going to teach you how to put your logo onto mockups. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you have any comments or ideas, you can put it in the description or in the comments and I'm going to look at them. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.